Get ready for a game changer in the smartphone world. Apple's upcoming event is rumored to introduce a sleeker iPhone, but the real buzz is around its pricing strategy and AI integration, or lack thereof. And this is the part most people miss. While the tech giant teases a thinner Air model, analysts are divided on whether it's a stepping stone to a foldable iPhone or just another incremental upgrade. But here's where it gets controversial. With tariffs costing Apple over $1 billion this quarter, will the company pass the burden on to consumers by hiking iPhone prices, or will they get creative with storage costs? Meanwhile, Siri fans might be disappointed. No major upgrades are expected until next year. Instead, all eyes are on Apple's AI partnerships, particularly with OpenAI, as they race to compete with Google's Gemini AI-powered phones. Could this be a strategic delay, or is Apple falling behind in the AI arms race? Let's dive into the details. On September 9th, Apple is set to unveil its latest iPhone lineup at its Cupertino, California headquarters. The star of the show is likely to be the iPhone Air, a slimmer device positioned between the more affordable iPhone 17 and the premium iPhone 17 Pro models. This move could be Apple's answer to Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge, and some speculate it's a precursor to a foldable iPhone in 2026. But with global trade tensions fueled by U.S. tariffs, the pricing strategy is under intense scrutiny. Analysts are split. Will Apple raise prices across the board, or will they selectively increase costs for higher storage models while keeping base prices steady? This decision could make or break the iPhone's appeal in a competitive market. Adding to the intrigue, Apple has postponed significant Siri upgrades until next year, leaving many to wonder about the company's AI roadmap. While Google recently showcased its Gemini AI model with new foldable phones, Apple's partnership with OpenAI hints at a different strategy. Will this be enough to satisfy tech enthusiasts, or will the lack of AI innovation leave them wanting more? As the event approaches, one thing is clear. Apple is walking a tightrope between innovation and affordability, and the tech world is watching closely. What do you think? Is Apple playing it safe, or are they strategically holding back for a bigger reveal? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a debate.